group down from Calgary who are Persian musicians, and they're presenting the dramatic story of the Parrot, which is a marvelous story by the beloved poet Rumi, a poet from the medieval era that many people have heard of these days because translations of his poetry are everywhere, basically. So these Rumi stories are beloved, and this is a 45-minute dramatic presentation of the story of the Parrot, complete with Persian instruments and singing and dancing as well. The first half has Persian musicians and university musicians performing in Persian classical music style on the first half, because it combines both Western and Eastern musicians and music. I think it's a nice thing to show that we're able to work together joyfully and ultimately to carry a message of peace and understanding for this difficult Syrian refugee crisis. This is the third in a series of fundraisers that's been held at St. Augustine's Church, and they have, I believe, already raised $37,000, which is fantastic, and so hopefully that will just continue. But this is the third one in this year. Tickets at the door. It's Friday night. It's at 7:30. Please come. Love to see you.